Hey guys, just coming to you with a quick video. Just wanted to do my part. If you feel like you could use $2,000 a month in stimulus for the next 12 months to get our economy going, then the White House has released a petition for all of us to sign, which I'm pretty sure we'll hit the goal of 100,000 signatures. This is not something I put together on some petition thingy where you can make up your own and let's tell the government what we need. This is an official White House petition that says if basically the American people agree that this is the kind of stimulus money that we need in order to get things going again, just sign the petition. And so what I don't know is if signing petition is just going to make this a real thing, but it does put our voice in to the government, to the White House that says, yeah, we need this stimulus money of $2,000 a month. So it's an opportunity to be heard. If you go to petitions.whitehouse.gov, I'll also put the link below. You can just go ahead, sign up. You don't need to click the little box that says get the newsletter and all that. You can uncheck that. Just put your first name, last name, email, hit submit. Just make sure that after you hit submit, you go to the email inbox that you put into the petition and do the little confirmation that they're going to ask you for there in order to solidify your name on the list. They're only looking for 100,000 and I think we're at like 15,000 or something like that. So please spread the word, spread this video, make it easy. Again, I'll put the link in my bio and let's just see where this thing goes. Thank you guys so much for listening and good luck out there in these streets.